Take my hand and lead even when I disagree. How I love when it rains outside. And it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about. But who cares for the world now? Rest with me. Close the curtains. Brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me.
And it'll tie it.